Hi, it's John Rodriguez, Century 21 Pinnacle, and I'm here with my friend and colleague, Tim Miller with Access Insurance. And with the recent grass fires and the hurricanes in the east, homeowners should probably be asking themselves, what can I do to protect my asset, my home? What kind of insurance should I have? And here today with me, Tim is going to help us kind of work through that. Tim, aside from our obvious right now with the fires, what does San Antonio, South Texas, what are our main natural disasters that we need to be worried about?
Well, John, thank you. In South Texas, our biggest peril seems to be year in, year out is hail. Hail damage, which obviously results in damaged roofs. So that's something that everybody's got a roof, everybody's got a house, everybody's got a roof. So that's something that weighs heavily on most people. Those disasters tend to happen when seasons change. Fall to spring, winter or spring to summer in your spring months, and then fall to winter. As far as the grass fires go, I mean, those are issues as well that we're becoming very familiar with, right. And have several ways to protect oneself or protect one's home on our website.
Right. Okay. So on your website, you're going to have a link for us that people can go to that will take you to information about how you can protect yourself right now from the grass fires or from kind of preventing fires from spreading onto your property in case you were...
We've got a link on our website that is provided by the Texas Forest Service that has some very helpful tips on how to protect your house in case of an approaching forest fire.
Okay, that sounds good. The next question I think is, danger is knocking on a lot of people's doors with the fires. I was talking with a client yesterday who lives within a couple of miles of the fire right there off of Ralph Fair and I-10, and he was telling me that he called his agent and asking, what kind of coverage do I have if my house were to burn down? He didn't know if he had coverage that covered his loan only, like the amount that he financed, or was it the purchase price, or was it the value of the home and the cost of replacing it completely? So what would a homeowner ask their agent, and what type of coverage do you think is the proper coverage?
I would begin by asking, there's two parts to a homeowner's policy or homeowner's insurance policy. The first one is coverage. The second one is price. I would certainly ask the right questions, those regarding replacement value. What it would take, and what replacement value is what it would take to replace that home to brand new. Whether if it's roof damage, what it would cost to replace that roof to brand new, etc. Those are the questions that I would ask. And then once you have established that, once you've established the replacement value, then most of your other coverages are pre-packaged off of that. Your personal property, your premise liability, your deductible, most of the other things are pre-packaged from the value or the replacement value.
Okay.
That would be where I would start.
Yeah, making sure that you have replacement value on the property.
Correct, and you have to understand, replacement value and market value are completely different. You may be able to buy, as you well know, buy a foreclosed home, right, that is, as an example, 150,000, 3,000 square feet, where it may take 230 or 40,000 to replace that same home.
Right. So
don't be fooled by trying to insure for what the market is. Markets go up and down, if you will.
Correct. Okay, well, thank you very much, Tim. We're going to have segments to follow this one, so keep track of my video blogs, and I appreciate you. Tim is a resource for me. Your insurance agent should be a resource for you. You should be able to call up your insurance agent with any of your questions. And if you do not have that type of relationship, you should find an agent that you can have that type of relationship with, because it's important. My clients and my friends know that they can call me about their home needs, whether it be for home repair or whether it be for a market analysis they're contemplating selling. They know that I'm just a phone call away, and that should be precisely the same relationship you should have with your insurance agent. Again, John Rodriguez, Century 21 Pinnacle. If you've enjoyed this video and think it's helpful, please share it with your friends. Enjoy your day.